Are you worried about your brain health as you age? One of the best ways to protect your brain is by paying attention to your diet. The food we eat can either harm or boost our brain function. That's why it's important to maintain a balanced diet. In this video, we will discuss some of the worst foods for your brain. Are refined carbs one of the culprit? What about cheese? We will cover all of this and more. Refined sugar. Refined sugar may seem harmless, but it can severely impact brain health, leading to cognitive decline and emotional instability. Indulging in sugary treats provide a temporary energy boost, followed by mood swings and difficulty concentrating. Long-term sugar consumption is associated with depression and anxiety due to inflammation and disrupted neurotransmitters signaling. Overloading the brain with sugar can inhibit its performance, making it crucial to recognize the effects of sugar on cognitive health. For enhancing clarity, creativity, and emotional resilience, refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates such as sugar and processed grains like white flour negatively affect brain health due to their high glycemic index, which lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. These foods lack nutrition and fiber, impairing memory even after a single high glycemic meal. High consumption of refined carbs and fats is linked to poor memory and increases the risk of mild memory problems and dementia, particularly when more than 58% of daily calories come from carbs. Additionally, children on high carb diets often score lower on non-verbal IQ tests. Therefore, opting for healthier carbohydrate source is crucial for maintaining brain health. Red meat. Red meat offers protein and essential nutrients, but excessive consumption, particularly of processed varieties, may be linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative disease due to the saturated fats and preservatives that can cause inflammation. Moderation is crucial. Enjoying lean cuts alongside fruits and vegetables can maintain balance and support brain health. Thus, while red meat can be tasty, it's important to consume it responsibly for optimal brain function. Cheese. Cheese lovers should be aware that cheese is linked to an increased risk of dementia. Foods high in saturated fats, especially cheese and pizza, can impair memory and cause brain inflammation. High-fat diets compromise the hypothalamus, which regulates body weight and can clog blood vessels in the brain, leading to inflammation, memory issues, and increased stroke risk. Additionally, such diets may disrupt the brain's ability to control food intake, contributing to obesity and further inflammation in arteries. Recognizing these risks is important for maintaining brain health. Fried foods. Fried foods, while tasty, can seriously harm brain health due to their unhealthy oils and trans fats. These foods can cause inflammation and oxidative stress, damaging brain cells and impairing cognitive functions like memory and decision making. A diet high in fried foods is also associated with an increased risk of neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer's and can negatively affect cardiovascular health, which is crucial for brain function. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of fried food consumption to maintain brain health. How your food choices can help keep your brain healthy and happy? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.